Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande, would like to welcome you all. Today, we will discuss what is the difference in Aragvadhadi Kashaya and Aragvadha Sava. Aragvadhadi Kashaya is a concentrated water based herbal decoction that is kwatham with a short shelf life used primarily for acute skin detoxification and blood purification. Aragvadha Sava, often referred to as Aragvadharishta, is a fermented herbal wine containing the same core herbs as like Aragvadhadi Kashaya, but offering a longer shelf life and better absorption. Both formulations center around Aragvadha Ayurvedic medicinal plant, that is Cassia fistula, which alleviate skin disorders, itching and burning sensation. Now, let us have a look on the difference pointwise. For example, preparation method. Aragvadhadi Kashaya is a water based decoction. Herbs are boiled in water and reduced. In Aragvadha Sava or Aragvadharishta, preparation method is a fermented. Herbs are soaked in jaggery and honey and water and fermented for days or weeks. Now, formulation type. Aragvadhadi Kashaya is a kashay, that is decoction, and Aragvadha Sava or Aragvadharishta is like a formula of Asava or the Arishta, that is fermented tonic. Now, potency and action. Aragvadhadi Kashaya is a stronger, direct action on the acute toxicity typically used for immediate relief. Aragvadharishta, potency and action, slower acting but penetrates deeper, nourishing tissues over time. What about the shelf life? Aragvadhadi Kashaya must be consumed fresh, usually within hours, if homemade, or around 1 to 3 years for commercial bottles. What about the Aragvadharishta? Shelf life highly stable. Shelf life increases with the age and improves the potency. What about the alcohol content? Aragvadhadi Kashaya? None. But in Aragvadharishta, alcohol content mild, naturally generated self-fermented alcohol. Now, what are the common primary indications for both skin allergies, itching and rashes, eczema and psoriasis, blood purification, wound healing and ulcers? Both the things, that means Aragvadhadi Kashaya and Aragvadharishta, are useful. So to hear such type of the interesting tips, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and take care.